I'm gonna remove these wires. This and this, they lead to the other side in the bathroom, which is power shower and lighting, but apparently that's against regulation. You're not supposed to have switches in the bathroom, so I'll move them to here, here, and here. I'm gonna have 3 different switches, so I'm gonna have power shower and TV, I think on the same line, which will be a fused line. Then I'll have one for ceiling, RGB lighting, and one for the closet here. So I'm just gonna shut down the power now. So everything's turned off, so I can just flick the power. So the power's off, and if we check the lighting now, nothing. So all the lighting is off. Okay, so we can now just cut, and hopefully I won't die, because I did cut it off now, so it should be fine. So let's hope we don't die. Okay, we are good. We are good. And now I can grind out this, because I've got spare tiles and I'm gonna have to reuse these switches. I just extracted these 2 planks. One was here and one was there. One of them was holding up supports for the electrical boxes here. The upper one did nothing. So I'm just going to connect one of the last wires, and then I'm going to power it on just to test that they work before I close them up and secure them. And the last one, so this one's going to be for the closet light. So for the moment being, I'm just going to lead the wire up into the loft and just going to leave it there labeled, because it's not going to be connected until I paint this. Right, let's see if this is safe and works. Let's do it with okay, light looks good. Turn it off. Okay, yep, it is working. So if I turn it on, you can hear that. So I can secure these, and then that bottom wire, as I mentioned, that will be for the closet light. And I made a perfectly fitted frame for all these switches, so they secure into pine wood. And there's no metal contact points that these wires are going to touch. Besides, all the positive negatives, they are very well shielded, so it's all clear and it's functional. And I've just done some cable ties as well. Much better. So now just to patch this up and start cleaning. Finally, we are ready for paint. So I'm going to start with this side. And I'm gonna leave this because I just put down more filler here where I removed those 2 pieces of wood, and I put some more filler around here. I'm gonna wait for that to dry until I can clean this all up. Otherwise I'll just be spreading it over and over. Much better. So my friend Chris recommended me that I do a mist coat for the plaster. And that involves mixing paint with 50% water which I did. So I mixed 1 liter of paint with 1 liter of water, and I mixed it in there and got it here, and I'm starting to spread it here. So it's just a progress at the moment. I'm still painting. But yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna keep going, starting on the ceiling and continue going to where I can. This will be it for today. So this was the mist coat, so barely anything done here because I need to wait for these areas to dry with filler because I'm gonna have to sand them again. But I think not bad, considering this is just a mist coat. I know this looks patchy as hell, but and once again, mist coat, 50% water, 50% paint. I wonder if I can actually thin the paint down to like say 75 paint, 25% water, just to make more paint, because the exterior paint, I don't think it needs to be as durable for indoors like here. So I'm gonna read up on it actually before I actually make this decision. But yeah, not bad I think. I'm also redoing all the ground wiring. So I'm just rewiring them and attaching it to that pipe, then bridging that connection to the start and then to that. Just make sure it's all bridged. Okay, I am done. So I'm emptying all the boxes, all the buckets. I'm gonna clean that up. And tomorrow I think I might just touch up this area and this area. I might actually even do it with spray paint because it's quite hard to do it with a brush. But the rest, to me is good enough as it is. Besides, there's gonna be storage boxes here anyway, so I think I'm gonna call it quits now. And I removed the masking tape from these. And I touched this area up as well. I removed the masking tape there. So yeah, not bad. Still looks a bit messy over there, but maybe after some spray paint and after this is cleared up and I got the flooring in and storage boxes, it will look neater. But this area looks great. And the ceiling I made it very seamless, which I'm very proud of because the ceiling was a mess. Okay, I'd say that's done. I gave it a few sprays of with spray paint and removed the masking tapes. So I guess I can put back the temporary flooring until I get the proper floors and replace the bathroom, hallway, bedroom, studio, kitchen, and stairs. Finally. And yeah, that looks pretty epic now. Not epic, just standard, I suppose. Like it was supposed to look, I guess. The joys and simplicity.